Hey there friends, how's it going today? In this video, we'll show you how to resize your avatar and personalize it. This tutorial is perfect for friends who often design clothing patterns using popular software. They craft real-world clothing. Exactly, measurements are crucial. Now, with personalized measurements, their avatar can rock that stunning outfit. Let's dive into choosing the avatar management option. Hit play. Some lines appear on the avatar's body. Here, you'll see various body measurements, including those essential for pattern drafting as well. This is crucial, so keep these handy. Dimensions might vary, so stay prepared. Head over to the Avatar tab right away. Dive into the Avatar editor right now. In the Avatar section, as you see, you can adjust the sizes of all parts. Dive into customizing your avatar by tweaking the dimensions of every single body part with ease. For example, I'll now adjust the measurement. Here, I'm fine-tuning the avatar's waist for a perfect fit. Just type the number here. Check this out. The avatar's body size has completely transformed. Every part requiring pattern drafting is ready for adjustment. Adjust the measurements. Once you've dressed your initial avatar in custom-designed clothing, remember that adjusting the avatar's dimensions is key. Use the auto-fitting option from earlier tutorials to perfectly size the clothing to match. Refresh your project. Isn't this method impressive? Hope you found this useful. Join me again in upcoming